Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in the last part uh, we made a obstacle like this. The obstacle course for the obby, and don't never mind this thing, but we made this much. Still so far we made a obby, and you guys might have upgraded it too, I don't know. But today we are going to add checkpoints. I tried making one video. It turned to be 1 hour because I did a lot of mistakes. So I finished scripting and then I made it, and let me guys show you what to do. So inside workspace, you search up folder, and you got folder, and you search up folder, you'll get this. You rename to spawns, super important, capital S, and then others are lowercase, and this is super important. And then next you go and press the plus button spawns and search for part and then insert it. The part is this one, you can see this is the part, and then resize it to a square, and then you can make it in green in color, and then you can in green in color, like you can do it over here or here. You can make it brick color to green, and let's keep the like the material to neon. You can scroll, you can press it and scroll, and then you can find neon right over here, maybe yeah, here neon, and it will glow so people will know that this is our checkpoint. And inside it you press the plus button, and then you add a int value. Search over here int value, and then you add it. This is the int value, and rename it as stage, capital S, and others are lowercase. Very important, as you can see, it's very important. You have to rename it. And then next you also and then you name this stage and give it a value and name it as 2 because this is second stage. And then you again press insert a script to it, like press the plus button and insert script here you get, and then insert it, you'll get this. And with this script you rename it as checkpoint script, C capital, and over here S capital for script, and then don't give any space. That's also super important. Now this is, now you have did this, and then you open the script, double click to open, and then there'll be written checkpoint script. You can copy and you can paste it, this script, checkpoint script. I have written over here checkpoint script, and then to close out you press this thing. And then next is, if you see, we have made this still, but it does not respawn, and does not show which stage are you in. So you scroll down and you search for server script service, and then inside server script service you search, like you add a script, and then in that script you rename it as Leaderstats. First we'll look into Leaderstats. Leaderstats means the leaderboard you'll get in the right corner, the leader top right corner, it will show the leaderboard, and for that you have to code it. So Leaderstats over here, you have this Leaderstats, you rename it as Leaderstats, all smaller case, and then you double click it to enter, and then you search for Leaderstats script in the description and copy and paste this script. And next is you again add a script from here, and rename into respawn script. R is capital for respawn, and then S is capital for script, and no space. Okay, that's super important. And if one letter or capitalization or renaming wasn't done, then the code won't work. So, and in that you double click it after rename, and then you copy the response script in the description I have written. You copy it and then you paste it in. And before, like whenever you create a new script, you would get this print world. You drag your mouse and then just delete it. It will be deleted, and then you can add script. But in this script you're not going to write anything, so close the script out, and then that's it. You copy this leader stats and script. I'll show you guys it works. And if you go here, I told you we have the leaderboard. We are in stage 1. Now if we complete the obby and jump in there, we'll go to stage 2, and then when you'll respawn in that checkpoint and anytime, and then you can continue playing. Now I learned how to make checkpoints. If any doubts, you can comment me in the down below, and I'll give you a learning objective. One more, like, make more obby parts, and then either from toolbox, I'll tell you about toolbox. You go and then you take the toolbox, you search for obby parts, like you search obby, and then you'll get a lot of results for obby. Like, just see, and we are learning. We got a obby course, game pass, no need to take game pass, obby lasers. You click them and insert them in, but be careful, some of them are dangerous, which includes script that will ruin your whole game. So some are okay, and the way how you check if the parts are okay or not, you can go here and you can see this thumbs up is in green, means most people liked it, and they are telling that it's a good model for obby. Now these things include script, so you have to be very careful with it, or else it'll ruin your game or might even crash. So how the way you press it and then insert it, and then you got this is a stairs, spiral stairs that we are going to insert to our obby. And we have the spiral stairs going. Just a little bit of moving it around, and maybe a little bit of outside. Let's put in, and let's move like this. Let's match it out. Now we got the obby stairs, maybe a bit lower. Let's move a bit higher, maybe a bit more higher. Let's see if it's aligned. Perfectly aligned. Now like this. And if you want to, you can. And how to include or add checkpoints, you press the checkpoint and you copy it, Control D to copy, and then move with the move tool, and then you can attach right or here, and then you got the here. And then after copy and aligning your checkpoint, now don't forget go to do that. Take the copy checkpoint and then open this, and then you go to stage. In the stage you change the value to 3, the next number of the value which we inserted in this checkpoint. This was stage 2, and then when we came here, next number stage 3, so you inserted stage 3, And it's very important whenever you're copying and pasting checkpoints, it's very important to do it. So do that, and I'll show you it works. I forgot to anchor, it's already anchored. Let's go and do it, and then you go checkpoint, and then you can see here this checkpoint works. Then next you use the stairs. Oh my god, I really suck at this obbies. Even the easiest one, which includes no jumping. Yeah, and you can see respawn, you can respawn, and then next we'll climb the stairs, and then you reach the top, and then stage 3, and it also works. And then, yep, so like that you can add many parts, and then you can use toolbox, or you can make your own, and include checkpoints, which I have showed you how to make it, and then make as many stages as possible. I'm going to make one more stage and then end it just for this purpose, but if you want to make more robux, make many stages as possible. And that's it, that's your learning objective. And next video we are going to learn how to earn robux using this. So make sure to like and subscribe. Bye.